Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing the scratch depth and direction on the stainless steel. Check for light surface marks versus deep gouges across the grain. Measure around 3-5 inches of adjacent surface to see finish continuity. Gather these supplies now: 3M Scotch Brite Pad, microfiber cloth, non-gel toothpaste, 1 tablespoon baking soda, rubbing alcohol, and optional 1,000 to 2,000 grit sandpaper. Work in good light and test techniques on a hidden area first. Wear gloves to keep oils off the surface while you work carefully. Begin by cleaning the scratched area with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Remove all grease and debris so polishing will be effective and even. Make a paste from a pea size of non-gel toothpaste or 1 tablespoon baking soda mixed with water. Apply the paste to the scratch and rub gently along the grain direction only. Use a 3M Scotch Brite Pad for slightly deeper marks, keeping motion consistent and slow. Wipe away residue and inspect the finish under direct light to check progress. For deep scratches, move to 1,000 grit sandpaper and finish with 2,000 grit along the grain. Sand very lightly and keep strokes even and controlled to avoid new cross scratches. After sanding, clean the area thoroughly and use a stainless steel cleaner to restore uniform sheen. Buff gently with a soft microfiber cloth following the grain for a final polish. Apply a thin layer of mineral oil to protect the area and blend it with the surrounding finish. Maintain appliances by avoiding harsh abrasives and wiping spills promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.